31 to 35 simplifications. 31 to 40. Next 41 to 45 number series. Next 46 to 50 caselet. Next 51 to 55 arithmetic questions. Next 56 to 60 pie chart. Next 61 to 65 again arithmetic questions are not. Okay, first priority which one? Simplifications are not. (31) 17.8% of 1800 minus 19.8% of 1850 plus 20.8% of 1850. And here 20.8% and here 19.8%. But here 1850, here also 1850. 1850 common or not? Okay. What is the difference between 20.8 and 19.8? 1%. 1% of which value? 1850. What is the 1% of 1850? 18.50. 18.50. Again we required which one? 17.8% of which one? 1800. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. Okay. 18 into how much value? 17.8. 8 8 how much? 64. Nothing but end with 40. Not. End with 40. Their answer should end with 90. Not. Yes or no? How many options are end with 90? Only one or not? Second term we are get the end with 50. First term end with 40. Both are adding, it is end with 90 or not? Next question number 32. What is the difference between 256 and 209? 47. What is the difference between 47 and 107? 60. Minus 60 or plus 60? Minus 60. 798 minus 60. 728. Divide by which one? 41. Almost 8 times or 18 times? 18 times or not? Next question number 33. 9 how many times 56? 6 times. Again 3 times or not? It is 630. Next 11 how many times 27? 2 times. Again 5 times or not? Okay. What is the difference between 285 and 250? 35. 630 plus 35. 665. Next 34. First priority 135 divided by 5. 5 how many times? 27 or not? 13 into 6 how much? 78. 27 plus 78. 105 plus 35. 140. 140 minus 4 or not? How much? 136. 35. Left hand side percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 43 into which one? 8. 840 is how much? 320. 8 3 the 24. 320 plus 24. 344. What is the difference between 344 and 250? 94 or not? Okay. That is added to which one? 67% of which one? 900. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 67 into how much? 900. 960 is how much? 540. 9 7 is 63. 540 plus 63. 603. These two are adding. We are getting 697. Next question number 36. First of all, left hand side square root, it will become right hand side square or not? Then what is the 22 square? 484. In this one, we are subtracting 104 plus 180 or not? It is how much? 284. What is the difference between 484 and 284? 200 or not? Next 37. First priority right hand side or not? Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 18 into 8. 144. Left hand side 144 cancel or not? What is the remaining value in right hand side? 10 or not? 10 or 0? 10. Because it is 180 into 8. 180 into 8 means right hand side remaining value 10. 10 into 4, how much? 40. Next 38. First priority bracket value 1296 means 36. 2304, 48. Both are adding 36 plus 48, 84. Divide by square root of 196, 1400. Almost 6 times. 6 into 8, how much? 48. Next 39. 32% of which one? 1700. First percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. Next again percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 7 almost 8 times. In all the cases 4 are common. 4 how many times? 8. 2 times. 4 how many times? 32. 8 times. 8 into 17. 136. 3 into 2. 6. Both are adding 142. Next question number 40. First one, what is the 5 cube? 125. 12 cube? 1728. Minus square root of 1936. 44. 44. 25 plus 28. 53. Minus 44. 900. Okay. 1700 plus 100. 1800. 1800. 900. In this one, how much value are subtracting? 497. What is the difference? 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 17 minus 4, 1300. It is divided by which one? 16. 16, 8 times how much? 128. Remaining value 32. 2 times 82. Next question number 41. Number series. First session English kada? Okay. Next 9 and 22. What is the difference? 13. 22 and 61. 39. 61 and 126. 65. 126 and 217. 91. All are in 13 multiples or not? 13 1 time, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. Next one 9 times. 117. Adding or subtracting? Adding. End with 4. But it is 334 or not? Next question number 42. 6 and 16. 10 difference. Next one 1700. Next one 26. Next one 40. 37 or 47? 37. 10 means 3 square plus 1 or not? 17 means 4 square plus 1. 26 means 5 square plus 1. 37 6 square plus 1. Next one 50 or not? 96 plus 50. 146. Next 43. 82 9 into 1 plus 1 or not? Next 9 to 21 into 2 plus 3 or not? Next 21 to 68 into 3 plus 5 or not? Next one into 4 plus 7 or not? 1 3 5 7 odd numbers or not? Next one into 5 plus 9 or not? 9 into 5 5 plus 9 means end with 4 or not? Next question number 44. 4 to 24, 24 to 82, 82 to 202. What is the first one difference? 20. Second one 58 or 58 or 68? 58. Next one 120. Next one 212. 120. It is 5 cube minus 5. Yes or no? 5 cube minus 5. 212. It is nearby which one cube? 6 cube. Compared to 6 cube, how much value less? 4 less. Then we return 6 cube minus 4. 5 6 means here 4 cube and here 3 cube. 3 cube minus 7. 4 cube minus 6. Yes or no? 4, 3 cube minus 7, 4 cube minus 6, 3 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 4. Next one, 7 cube minus 300. How much? 340. Subtracting or adding? Adding or not? End with 4. 4 or 5? 4. Answer 754. Next question number 45. What is the first one difference? 3. Next one 5. Next one 7. Next one 11 or not? All are in prime numbers or not? Next one 13. What is the answer? 51. Next question number 46. The total number of windows 10 plus 5, 15 questions complete kada within 10 minutes of timer. Hardly 10 minutes time kante ekku pattadu kada, maximum 10 minutes, we are getting 15 marks or not? Okay na? Or 10 to 12 minutes, maximum 12 minutes, we are getting how many marks? 15 marks or not? What is the remaining time? 8 minutes. In that 8 minutes, which one are first priority? Pie chart or not? Okay? Caselet are easy, then done the caselet or not? Because if caselet, it is tabular format, we are getting how many marks easily? 5 marks or not? In 8 minutes of time, we are getting 5 marks, already 15, plus 5 means total 20 marks with 100% accuracy or not? Yes or no? లేదు ఆల్రెడీ 12 minutesలో కేస్లెట్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, ఓవరాల్ హౌ మెనీ మార్క్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్? 20 అన్నాడు. రిమైనింగ్ హౌ మెనీ మినిట్స్? 8 minutes. ఇన్ దట్ 8 minutes ఆఫ్ టైమ్ అగైన్ వీఆర్ డన్ ఇన్ పై చార్ట్ ప్లస్ 5 అర్థమెటిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్. 5 plus 5 టోటల్ హౌ మచ్? 10. ఆల్రెడీ 20 ప్లస్ 10 మీన్స్ 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నాడు. ఓకే, బిగినర్స్ అయితే 12 minutesలో ఈ 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతాయి. ఒక 3 to 4 months ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిన వాళ్ళైతే ఈ 12 minutesలో మినిమం 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఉంటారు. అర్థమవుతుందా? స్టార్టింగ్ ఇప్పుడే జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు 12 minutesలో మినిమం 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేస్తారు. అదే 3-4 months బ్యాక్ జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు 15 to 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఉంటారు. నాకు తెలుసు అయితే 20 కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? లేదా 20 అవ్వలేదా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్. కాబట్టి మీరు టైం ఎట్లా అప్లై చేసుకుంటా అన్నది ఇంపార్టెంట్. స్కోర్ కదా కావాల్సింది. స్కోర్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంటా, టైం ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్? ఎట్ ద టైంతో పాటు స్కోర్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంటే కదా మనకి. రెండు బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు స్కోర్ వస్తుంది, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 46. ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ విండోస్ ఇన్ బిల్డింగ్ ఏ ఈజ్ 25% మోర్ దాన్ ద విచ్ వన్? టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పిల్లర్స్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ బిల్డింగ్. And the total number of doors in building A is how much? 72. Means building A, second one building B, and one more building C. Total how many buildings are there? 3 buildings are there. Building A, B and C. Building A, windows, pillars and one more doors are there. Okay, windows, pillars and doors are means every building windows, pillars and doors. What the second point are given? The total number of doors in building A is how much? 72. 72 are which one? Doors are okay, which is equal to the which one? Average number of pillars and windows in the same building are. What the first point? Windows in building A is 25% more than the which one? Total number of pillars in the same building or not? Okay, 25% more means one is 4 parts, another one 5 parts or not? What is the average? 4.5 parts. Or average means divide by 2 or not? That is equal to how much value? 72 or not? 72. 9 how many times? 8 times. 8 2s are how much? 16. 5 8s are 40. 4 8s are 32 or not? Yes or no? 5 parts plus 4 parts, total how many parts? 9 parts. Sum is 9 parts, but average is 9 parts by 2. 9 how many times? 8 times. Then every one part we are getting how much? 16 or not? Sorry, every one part is 16. 5 parts is how much? 80. 4 parts are how much? 64. 80 plus 64 how much? 144. Average means 72 or not? Yes or no? Next, what is the next point? The respective ratio to the number of doors in building A and building B is how much? 6:7. What are the doors in A? 72. It is represented 6 parts or not? 6 parts 72, then every one part 12. 7 parts are 84. Next, the sum of the number of doors in building B and C is how much? 160. Means already B value 84, remaining 76 or not? Next, what is the next point? In building C, the total number of windows is 1 more than the windows in building A. Or the building A windows 80. Compared to this one more. We return 81. And what is the next one? In building C, the total number of pillars is 20 more than the pillars in building B. We don't know the building B pillars are not. What is the next one? The ratio between the total number of windows and pillars in building B is how much? 10:9. And sum of the number of pillars and windows in building B is how much? 133. 10 plus 9, 19 parts. 19 parts is 133. Every one part 7. 10 parts are 70. 9 parts are 63 or not? Direct values are not? Next. And one more, number of pillars in C is 20 more than the pillars in B. 63 plus 20, 83 or not? I think direct data or not? Next question number 46. What is the respective ratio to the number of doors in building A to that of windows in building C? What are the A doors? 72. C windows 81. Ratio 8:9 or not? 9 8 times, 9 9 times or not? Next question number 47. The total number of windows in building A is what percent of total number of doors in building B and C or not? What are the windows in A? 80. Doors B and C, how much? 160. 80 is what percent of 160? Half value or double value? Half value. Half means 50% or not? 80 by 160 into 100. How much percent? 50%. Next 48. What is the average number of windows in all the buildings together or not? Average number of windows in all the buildings. What is the sum of 80 plus 70? 150 plus 81, 231. Average means divide by 3. Answer 77. Next 49. What is the difference between the total number of doors in all the buildings together to that of total number of pillars in all the buildings together or not? Total doors and total pillars difference or not? Wait. In building A, what is the difference? 8 or not? Yes or no? Next, building B, what is the difference? 21. In building C, what is the difference? -7 or +7? -7. Then answer 22 or not? Only building A difference 8, but building B difference 21. Building C difference -7 or not? 8 minus 7, 1. 1 plus 21, 22. Next question number 50. Individual differences are adding. We are get the overall difference or not? Next question number 50. The total number of pillars in building A is what fraction of the total number of doors in the same building? What are the pillars in building A? 64. Doors in building A? 72. Then we required 64 by 72 or not? What is the fraction? 8 by 9. Next. Arithmetic questions. Before the arithmetic questions, pie chart 56 to 60. The pie chart given below shows the percentage distribution of the number of bags C plus L sold by 5 different companies PQRST in the year 2021. One is category C, another one category L or not? Yes or no? Next, percentage distribution of bags sold or not? P how much percent? 12%, Q 25. So on data are given or not? What is the note are given? The ratio of the number of C bags to L bags sold by R is how much? 5:4. In R, what is the percentage? 18%. One is 5 parts, another one 4 parts. Next, number of L bags sold by S is 50% more than the which one? C bags sold by the same company or different company? Same company. L is sold by 50% more than the which one? C. Suppose C value are 2 parts, S value, C value are 2 parts, L value 3 parts. Yes or no? In 18%, what is the C and L ratio? 5:4. Next, in 10%, what is the C and L ratio? 2:3. I think this is the key point or not? Okay. What is the next point? The total number of C bags sold by company R and S together is equal to the total number of L bags sold by same companies together is how much? 700. Means C value in both the companies is how much? 700. L value in both the companies is how much? 700. Okay. C both the companies are 700. L also both the companies are 700. 700 plus 700, 1400. That 1400 is sum of the S and R. S and R. 700 plus 700, 1400. That 1400 is represents how much percent? 28%. Yes or no? R. Here 3 parts is how much percent? 6%. And here 5 parts is how much? 10%. Okay. And this one is how much? 8%. This one is 4%. 4 plus 10, 14%. What is the 14%? 700. R 6 plus 8 also 14%. It is also 700. Okay. Simply we are consider first one 10%, second one 18%. Total it is 28%. That is equal to 700 plus 700 means total C and total L. Total how much? 1400. 28%, 1400. Every one part are 50. What is the 100% value? 5000. Yes or no? Means total pie chart is how much? 5000. What is the first question? What was the total number of bags sold by all the companies together? How much? 5000. Yes or no? Next. Question number 57. If the company T 70% of manufactured bags is sold, then find the total number of manufactured bags sold by company T. What is the company T selling percentage? 35%. 35% are selling means out of the manufactured how much percent are selling? 35%. 35% of which value? 5000. Okay. What is the key point here? If the company T 70% are which one? 70% of the manufactured bags is sold. How much percent are sold? 35% of 5000 is sold. That is represents how much percent? 70%. But we required manufactured value. How much percent we need? 100%. Okay. 35 double how much? 70. 2 how many times? 50 times. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 50 into 50. 2500. Or out of 100%, 70% value is how much? 35%. 70%, 35% means 100% is 50%. What is the 50% of 5000? 2500. If manufactured 100%, selling 70%. But 70% is represents how much? 35. 70%, 35% means 100%, 50%. What is the 50% of 5000? 2500. Next question number 58. The respective ratio between the C bags to L bags sold by company Q is how much? 12:13. Find the total number of L bags sold by in that company. What is the L is how many parts? 13 parts out of 25 parts. But Q total how much percent? 25%. 25% of which one? 5000. Yes or no? 25 25 cancel or not? Okay, percentage 2 zeros are cancel or not? 13 into 50, 650 or not? Or 13 multiple or not? Next question number 59. If the total number of bags sold in company U is 30% more than the company T, the respective ratio in the C bags and L bags is 11:14. Both the types of bags are sold at 50 rupees each. And then find the total amount earned by the company to sell the C types of bags or not. First, total bags sold by company U is 30% more than the which one? T. What is the T percentage? 35%. 35% of which one? 5,000. That is company T selling value or not. But company U value compared to company T value, how much percent or more? 30% more. 30% more means out of this one we required 130% or not? 130%. In this one, C bags and L bags are in which ratio? 11:14. Means total how many parts it is? 25 parts or not? It is distributed for 25 parts. But we required which one? C parts or not? C means how many parts? 11 parts. We are get the C types of bags. But every one it is selling how many rupees? 50 rupees. Means multiplied by 50 or not? And here 11 or not? 11 means answer must be multiple of 11. First option is 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. Yes. I think out of the 5 options only one option is 11 multiple. Second option is 11 multiple. No. Third option. No. Fourth one. 5 plus 0 plus 0. No. Fifth option 11 multiple. No. Then answer only first one. 50,000 50. 35% of 5,000 it is represents how much? 100%. We are get the 130% value, that is company U value. That is represents how many parts? 25 parts. We required which one? C type. How many parts we need? 11 parts. It is multiplied by 50, we are get the total amount or not? Yes or no? Next question number 60. What is the respective ratio between the total number of bags sold by company P and R? Directive values or not? What is the P percentage? 12. R percent? 18. What is the ratio? 2:3 or not? Next. Question number 51 to 55. 51 to 55. A bag contains 21 pink balls and P orange balls and Q white balls. If one ball is drawn from the bag, the probability of getting an orange ball is how much? 1/4. Another ball is drawn from the bag, the probability of getting the white ball is how much? 2/5. Find the total number of orange and white balls in the bag. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. Then we are formed the 2 equations or only 1 equation? 2 equations are not. If only 1 unknown, we are formed the only 1 equation. But here how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. Again we required sum of those 2 unknowns or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? Find the total number of orange and white balls. Means we required sum of P and Q or not? Means we required 2 unknowns sum. Okay. First, how many pink balls are there? 21. How many orange? P. How many white? Q. Total how many balls? 21 plus P plus Q or not? Out of this one, we have taken 1 ball or not? 1 ball is drawn from the bag, that is orange ball or not? Okay. How many orange? P by 21 plus P plus Q, that is equal to how much? 1/4 or not? Yes or no? Next, second one, another ball is drawn from the bag, the probability of getting the white ball is how much? 2/5. White means how many balls? Q balls. Q by 21 plus P plus Q, that is equal to how much? 2/5. Yes or no? First one, what is the denominator in first one? 21 plus P plus Q. Second one denominator also 21 plus P plus Q or not? Means denominators are same or not? Then we return, first one is 4P or not? Second one 5 cube by 2 or not? These two are equal or different? Equal or not? Yes or no? 4P equal to 21 plus P plus Q. 5Q by 2, it is equal to 21 plus P plus Q or not? Okay. This one we written P by Q equal to how much? P by Q 5 by 8. P represents how many parts? 5 parts. Q represents 8 parts. What is the sum of the parts? 13 parts. How many options are 13 multiples? Only one. Suppose P I consider 5 parts, Q I consider 8 parts. Okay. What is the ratio? 5:8. Answer will be 13 multiple. How many options? Only one option. But in options are cannot be determined also given or not? And first option not possible or not? Then answer must be only 39. Suppose in place of cannot be determined, none of these are given. In that case we are verify the possibilities or not? Yes or no? If cannot be determined are given, then directly we are say the answer is 39 because only one possibility or not? Because 5 and 8 we are get the ratio or not? How many parts we are getting? 13 parts. Answer must be multiple of 13. We are say the answer or not? Okay. But in first option in place of cannot be determined, none of these are given. None of these are given. Again we are verify the exact value or not? Yes or no? One is 5 parts, another one 8 parts. P means how many parts? 5 parts by 21 plus P plus Q. 13 parts equal to how much? 1 by 4. Solving this one we are get the 1 part value or not? 4 5s are how much? 20 parts. That is equal to 21 plus 13 parts or not? Then 7 parts equal to how much? 21. Then every 1 part are 3 or not? How many parts we need? 13 parts. 13 3s are 39 or not? If none of these are given, in that case we require exact value or not? Next question number 52. Answer 3 or 13? 39. 39. Next question number 52. The speed of the stream is 8 km per hour. Boat A covers 204 kilometers against the stream in how many hours? 12 hours. And boat B covers 152 kilometers with the stream in how many hours? 8 hours. Then find the speed of the boat B in still water is what percentage of the speed of the boat A in still water? First of all, boat A covers 204 kilometers against or along? Against. Upstream or downstream? Upstream. What is the upstream speed? MA or MB? MA minus S or no? What is the upstream speed? M minus S or M plus S? M minus. Two different boats or same boats? Two different boats. One is MA, another one MB. MA minus S, it is equal to how much? 204 by 12 or not? 12 how many times? 1 time. Again 7 times or not? Already we know the S value or not? What is the S value are given? 8. If S value are 8, MA value 25. It is first case. What is the second one? Boat B covers 152 kilometers with the stream in how many hours? 8 hours. With the stream means downstream or upstream? Downstream. What is the distance value? 152. Time are 8 hours. That is equal to downstream speed. M plus S. MB plus S or not? That is equal to 19 or not? Okay. What is the S value? 8. S is 8 means MB value 11 or not? What is the question here? Find the speed of the boat in still water is what percentage of the speed of the boat A in still water or not? What is the B value? 11. Upon which one? 25 into 100 or not? 44. B is what percent of A or not? B means 11 parts. A is 25 parts. 11 by 25 into 100. How much percent? 44%. Next question number 53. In a mixture of 180 liters of lemon juice and 24 liters of orange juice and k liters of orange juice is added, then the respective ratio between the orange juice and lemon juice becomes how much? 6:1. If 21 liters of the mixture is taken out and then find the remaining orange juice is approximately what percentage of the lemon juice or not? Okay. One is lemon juice, another one orange juice. Okay. Initial lemon is how much? 180. Initial orange 24. We are adding the k liters of orange. Okay. After adding the k liters of orange, the ratio becomes orange juice and lemon juice becomes how much? 6:1. In paper, lemon and orange are given, orange and lemon given. Orange, lemon are given. What is the key value? 17 or just verify the key? What is the answer? 17 or ratio are lemon to orange, not orange to lemon. Lemon to orange, not orange to lemon. Lemon to orange. Lemon is how many parts? 6 parts. Orange is how many parts? 1 part. Okay. It is not 1:6. It is 6:1. Lemon and orange. Lemon is how many parts? 6 parts. Orange is 1 part. Or change the 6:1 ratio. That is 1:6. Orange is how many parts? 1 part. Lemon is how many parts? 6 parts. Okay. Before adding the k liters of orange, lemon is how many liters? 180. But there is no change in lemon. Only changes are only orange. Orange is how many parts? Sorry. Changes are only for orange. But initial lemon is how many liters? 180 liters. That 180 liters are represents how much? 6 parts. 6 parts are 180 liters. Then 1 part is how much? 30 liters. Yes or no? Okay. If you required k value, then answer is how much? 6. If you required k value, then answer is 6. Lemon is 180, orange is 30. Total mixture is how many liters? 210 liters. 210 liters. Out of 210 liters, how many liters of the mixture is taken out? 21 liters. 21 is what percent of 210 liters? 10% or no? Yes or no? Mixture 10% are removed means lemon also 10% are removed. Water, orange also 10% are removed or no? Yes or no? What is the question here? Then find the remaining orange is approximately what percentage of the which one? Lemon juice or not? Okay. Out of 180, how much percent are removed? 10%. What is the remaining lemon? 90% of 180 or not? Yes or no? Out of 30, 10% are orange removed means remaining 90% of which one? 30. What is the question here? Orange is approximately what percent of which one? 11. This one we written 90% of 30 by 90% of 180 into how much? 100. 90 cancel, it is 1 time and it is 6 times. 1 by 6 means 16.66. Okay. We are not required entire procedure. What is the actual quantity? 180 plus 30. Total 210 liters. In that how many liters are removed? 21 liters. Each one how much percent are removed? 10% are removed or not? Yes or no? Means remaining quantities again are in which ratio? 6:1 ratio or not? Same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio or not? Each one equal quantity are removed means remaining values must be in the ratio of which one? 6:1. Orange is how many parts? 1 part. Lemon is how many parts? 6 parts. What is the fraction? 1 by 6 into 100 means 16.66. Out of 210, we are removed 21 liters. In the 21 liters, lemon and orange are not. Okay. Again ratio are lemon and orange are in which ratio? 6:1 are not. Same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio. Same quantity are removed from each one means we are get the equal ratio or different ratio? Equal ratio. Again we are get the same ratio of original ratio of lemon and orange are not. What is the original ratio of lemon and orange? 6:1. Final also same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio. Suppose if we are adding some quantity, the ratio are changes. We are not adding the any quantity or not? Yes or no? Out of 210 we are removed 21 liters. What is the remaining quantity? 189 liters or not? 210 minus 21. What is the remaining? 189 or not? In that 189 also, lemon and orange are in which ratio? Same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio. What is the ratio? 6:1. Orange how many parts? 1 part. Lemon is 6 parts. Then we return 1 by 6 or not? Yes or no? Directly we are get the answer or not? Next question number 54. The height of the cone is how much? 9. And the radius of the cone is 5 more than the height of the cone. Find the volume of the which one? Cone. What is the cone volume formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h r. We required this one or not? Okay. Pi means 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. No. Fourth option. No. Fifth option. Yes or no? 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 4, 5. Difference is 11 or not? Then answer is fifth option or not? 1, 8, 4, 8. If you required volume of any three-dimensional figure, first we need to identify the 11 multiple. Our height is given how much? 9. Radius 5 more than the means 14 square into 22 by 7 into how much value? 1 by 3. Solving this one we are getting the answer or not? Next question number 55. A and B started a business with an investment of 2,000, 4,000. After 4 months, C joined with them with an investment of 30% more than that of B. The total profit earned by at the end of the year was 7,100. Then find the sum of the profits of B and C together at the end of the business year. And here how many persons? A, B, C are. What is the A investment? 2,000. B investment 4,000. What is the ratio? 1:2. A invested 1 part, B invested 2 parts or not? Yes or no? Next, after 4 months, which one are joined? C joined with them with an investment 30% more than the which one? B. Already B investment 2 parts. 30% of 2, 0.6 or not? 0.6 means 2.6 or not? Yes or no? Next, first one is invested for how many months? 12 months. Second one 12 months. Third one 8 months or not? All are in 4 multiples. Yes or no? 4 how many times? 3. 4 how many times? 3. 4 how many times? 2 times. First one in profit 3 parts. Second one 6. Third one 5.2 or not? All are adding total how many parts? 14.2 parts. In place of 14.2, how much value are you? 7,100. We required sum of B and C or not? How many parts we need? 11.2 or not? What is the half of the 142? 71. Half of the 112? 56. Answer 5,600 or not? Yes or no? Next is 61 to 65. The average income of PQR is how much? 7,000. Average 7,000 means sum is 21,000. Means P plus Q plus R, it is equal to 21,000. While the income of P is 500 less than the which one? R. And 2,000 more than that of which one? QR. Okay. And PQR spent 50% and 40% and 60% of their respective incomes. What is the question here? Find the sum of their savings. First we need to identify the incomes. In that some percentage are expenditures. Then remaining values are savings. And how many persons are there? 3 persons. P, Q, R. What is the sum of the 3 persons income? 21,000. What is the first condition? P is 500 less than that of which one? R. Suppose R is getting R rupees, P is getting R minus 500. Yes or no? What is the next one? 2,000 more than that of which one? Q. Means P compared to Q, how many rupees are more getting? 2,000 more. Means Q value R minus 500 is Q plus 2,000. Yes or no? Then Q is how much? R minus 2,500. R minus 2,500. All are in terms of R. 500 plus 2,500. 3,000. Negative 3,000 becomes positive 3,000. 21,000 plus 3,000. 24,000. That is equal to 3R. 3R equal to 24,000. R equal to 8,000. Means R income 8,000. Q income 5,500. P income 7,500. Yes or no? P, Q are adding, we are getting how much value? 21,000. The same 21,000 that is equal to how much? 3R minus 3,000. Yes or no? Solving this one, we are get the R value. Those are in incomes or savings? Incomes. But we required which one? Savings. First one income is 7,500. In that how much percent are spending? 50%. 50% are spending means remaining 50% savings. What is the 50% of 7,500? 3,750. Second one, how much percent are spending? 40%. Remaining 60%. What is the 60% of 5,500? 3,300. Next, out of 8,000, 60% are spending. What is the remaining? 40%. 40% of 8,000. 3,200. All are in savings or expenditures? Savings. 37 plus 33. 70. 70 plus 32. 1 or 2 or not? Plus 50 or not? 10250. 3750, 3,300 and 3,200. All are in savings or expenditures? Savings. I think it is related to percentage concept or not? In percentage income it is equal to expenditure plus saving. Out of 100%, 50% are expenditure means remaining 50% savings are not. Next question number 62. The age of Abhi 2 years ago was half of the age of B 4 years hence from now. The sum of the present age of Abhi and Beam is 46 years. Find the present age of which one? Beam. First of all, Abhi and Beam is how many years? 46. A plus B, it is equal to how much? 46. This one I written. A equal to 46 minus B or not? Yes or no? A equal to 46 minus B or not? Yes or no? What is the first point? Abhi 2 years ago was half of the age of B how many years hence? 4 years hence. Abhi 2 years ago means A minus 2 or A plus 2? A minus 2. Already A value 46 minus B. Again minus 2 or plus 2? Minus 2. Then I written 46 minus B minus 2. That is Abhi 2 years back or not? It is half of the Beam how many years hence? 4 years hence. Beam present value B, 4 years hence means B plus 4 or no? Yes or no? Solving this one we are get the B value. 46 and 2 difference 44 into 2 88. That 88 it is equal to 2B plus 4 or not? Sorry. Minus 2B. Minus 2B becomes plus 2B. Already B. Total it is 3B plus 4 or minus 4? Plus 4. 88 and 4 difference 84. That is equal to 3B. B equal to 28. What is the difference between 46 and 2? 44. 44 2 times how much? 88. 88 minus 2B. Minus 2B becomes plus 2B or not? 2B plus B, 3B. That 3B equal to 88 minus 4. How much? 84 divided by 3. We are getting how much? 28. The length of, next question number 63. The length of the two trains P and train Q moving towards each other with the speed of 72 km per hour and 108 km per hour respectively. Train P crosses a train Q in 20 seconds and train Q crosses a pole in 15 seconds. Then find the length of the train P is what fraction to that of train Q. First of all, both the trains are moving in which opposite direction. In opposite direction means what is the relative speed? Sum of the speeds. One is 72, another one 108. What is the sum of these speeds? 180 km per hour converted to meter per second into 5 by 18. How many seconds they will pass each other? 20 seconds into 20 or not? Yes or no? Sum of these speeds into time, we are get the distance value or not? The same distance it is also equal to length of the first one plus length of the second one, because both the trains are moving in opposite direction. One train passes another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths, that is equal to L1 plus L2 or not? Okay. Second one, train Q can crosses a pole in how many seconds? 15 seconds. When a train passes a pole means total distance are only train length or not? Which train length? Second train length or first train length? Second train length. That is equal to speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. What is the second train speed? 108 converted to meter per second into how many seconds? 15 seconds. Or solving this one we are get the L1 and L2 ratio. Or yes sir. 18 how many times? 10 times. 10 5s are 50 into 20 means 1000. L1 plus L2 equal to 1000. 18 how many times? 6 times. 6 5s are 30 into 15 means 450 or not? L2 450. L1 is how much? 550 or not? What is the question here? P is what fraction of Q? Means we written 550 by 450 or not? How much? 11 by 9. Next question number 64. M alone can do the work for how many days? 36 days and work for 10 days. Then N is replaced by M and the remaining work is completed in 52 days. Then find how many days P alone can do the work if P efficiency is 20% more than that of which one? N or not? Okay. First, what is the 1 day work of M? 1 by 36. He worked on it for 10 days or not? How much work are completed? 10 by 36. What is the remaining work? 26 by 36. Means N completed 20 by 36 work or not? Yes or no? Sorry, 26 by 36. 26 by 36. 26 parts are completed in how many days? 52 days. Then 36 parts is completed 72 days or not? What is the meaning? Remaining work is completed in 52 days means out of 36 parts, 26 parts are completed 52 days or not? Then total work is completed by N in how many days? 72 days. And one more condition are given. P efficiency is 20% more than the which one? N efficiency. Suppose N efficiency I consider 100%, but he can complete the work in how many days? 72 days. But P efficiency compared to N efficiency 20% more. Then N efficiency is how much? 120%. He can complete the same work in how many days? Left hand side N efficiency into N time. Right hand side P efficiency into P time. Both are equal or different? Equal. Both sides zeros are cancelled. 12 how many times? 6 times. 10 into 6. 60 here. Next question number 65. The average age of persons in a group of 18 persons is how much? 55 years. If the 10 new persons are joined in the group, the average age of the persons in the group increased by 5 years. And then find the average age of 10 new students. Initially how many students are there? 18 students. What is the average value? 55. Again how many students are joined? 10 students. We need to identify the average of 10 students. Total how many students? 28 students. But 28 students average are increased by how many years? 5 years. Already average 55. Increased by 5 means new average 60 year. Apply the allegation rule. What is the difference between 60 and 55? 5. 5 compared to 10, half value or double value? Half value. Right hand side it is half means left hand side also half. What is the half of the 18? 900. Already compared to 60, 55 is lesser. Then answer must be more than 60 or less than 60? More than 60. Then answer is 69. Yes or no? Half of the 10, 5. Half of the 18, 9. If it is 9 means question mark must be 69. That is the average of how many students? 10 students. Okay. Thank you.